नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ अंजना शर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं करंट खबर। तो आइए बढ़ते हैं आज की प्रमुख खबर की।
Chief Minister of Jharkhand come, invest, grow dash Jharkhand is ready for business. Hemant Soren proposal to establish a gigafactory Mount proposal for training Jharkhand's football coaches. Chief Minister engages with the Indian origin business leaders and experts in Barcelona. Ranchi Hanbal. Chief Minister Hemant Soren is on an official visit to Spain and Sweden to attract investment into Jharkhand. As part of this visit, the government of Jharkhand received a proposal from RCD Espinal Football Club to sign a memorandum of understanding. Now, for collaboration in sports development, specifically for the training of football coaches from Jharkhand. This partnership aims to promote sports, especially football, in the state by leveraging Barcelona's excellent sports ecosystem. Simultaneously, a high-level delegation led by the Honorable Chief Minister interacted with the Indian origin business leaders and experts in Barcelona across various fields such as startup mentorship, clean energy, environmental sustainability, supply chain, beyond pharmaceuticals, sports marketing, cricket franchise ownership, deep tech B2B marketing, legal, dentistry, and medtech. The delegation discussed strategies to promote entrepreneurship, innovation, and startup growth in Jharkhand. Participants expressed their interest in supporting the creation of a vibrant startup ecosystem in the state. The Chief Minister extended an invitation to attendees to visit Jharkhand and explore investment opportunities. Proposal to establish a gigafactory. The Chief Minister also held a meeting with Mr. Dusan Licerdas, CEO and co-founder of Tesla Group AS, Czechoslovakia. During the meeting, Mr. Licerdas proposed to establish a gigafactory in Jharkhand focused on the assembly of commercial and industrial battery storage products. The project would be similar to the company's recently set up facility in Brila, Romania, aimed at enhancing renewable energy storage infrastructure. Government presents key proposals. The business delegation suggested that the Jharkhand government should initiate the mapping of startups and their mentors in the state and establish connections with global incubators. Investment opportunities in value-added food processing, especially involving jackfruit and tomatoes, were also discussed. Further discussions included collaboration in traditional medicine, Hadapathy, research or development, and the licensing of innovations in sectors such as pharmaceuticals, medtech, and biotech. The Jharkhand delegation stressed the importance of strengthening the state's branding among Spanish companies. It was suggested that a sustained promotional campaign focused on investment, tourism, and trade could position India and Jharkhand in particular as a key destination for Spanish companies. Chief Minister's assurance. The Honorable Chief Minister assured the delegation that the government of Jharkhand will maintain continuous engagement with Spanish companies through regular meetings and follow-up programs to advance collaborations. He affirmed that the valuable suggestions received would be considered while updating and refining state policies. The Chief Minister also reiterated Jharkhand's significant progress in ease of doing business and the government's commitment to facilitating smooth and fast-track investment implementation.
Import fractions as well, because this is very significant part due to the increase in population and ever-rising demands. New exploration and new mining in all the minerals is getting important for this state. The jewel in this crown is the state of Jharkhand, wherein more and similar significance can be seen in the export and the import fractions as well, because this is very significant part due to the increase in population and ever-rising demands. New exploration and new mining in all the minerals is getting important for this state. The jewel in this crown is the state of Jharkhand, wherein more